How can LuitBiz DMS and QMS help pharma manufacturing companies? In today's increasingly regulated environment, pharma manufacturing companies need to have a well-managed and secure document and quality processes in place. Whether it's the manufacturing or distribution stage, monitoring of the pharmacy activity, or inventory management, documentation is the most important element to control. The strictest compliances of FDA and GMP in the pharma manufacturing industry pertains to its quality processes. As such, software that controls the company's documents should also allow controlling its quality processes. Pharmaceutical companies find it overwhelming while deciding on the right software for controlling their documents and quality processes. The following 4 tips can be of great help to them while making this decision. First, you'll need an audit-friendly DMS because the FDA will perform an audit of your documents by looking at the audit trails and access control, which you can easily define with a document management software like LuitBiz DMS. Second, you will need to make sure your software allows for e-signatures like LuitBiz that are stored securely as per 21 CFR Part 11 regulations in order to avoid purchasing additional software for signing and approvals. Third, get an integrated DMS and QMS with customizable approval workflows like LuitBiz to streamline communication and offer visibility into documentation and quality forms. Fourth, consider DMS software that is part of a larger quality management system like LuitBiz DMS and QMS. Incorporating your document management into your QMS ensures consistency across your organization. Make sure to also choose software that allows for employee collaboration and real-time visibility into any errors, so your employees can work together to streamline CAPA. Your software will also need to store multiple types of documents and forms, like employee training documents, quality manuals, and policies, change control forms, and spreadsheets to show clinical trial outcomes. If you don't have an integrated DMS and quality management system, the validation process can be very complicated. Quality management systems require validation for the flow of events and documents. With an easy-to-use software like LuitBiz, it's easier to make adjustments and they're needed during the validation process. With LuitBiz DMS and QMS, you don't just get a document management system with document control and automation but also a quality control management system that gives your pharma company everything it needs to be successful. You can build your own forms and processes, get them approved with a complete audit trail, track extensions and closures of forms, and have complete control over all your quality processes. We work with pharma manufacturing companies to help them bring their processes, data, and teams together. This holistic approach lets teams work as efficiently as possible, from preclinical development all the way to FDA approval and post-market activities and GMP compliance. Check out LuitBiz DMS and QMS by scheduling a demo with one of our specialists. Visit us at LuitBiz.com.